Vermeer Charitable Foundation was set up in 1958 by my father, Gary Vermeer, and also Ralph Vermeer. They believed in biblical principles of tithing, so that was kind of the result of the starting of why they wanted to have a Vermeer Charitable Foundation. And in fact, the first year, because there wasn't very good cash flow, they actually borrowed funds that they could give away.
To know that someone other than their parents see the value that they bring, to our world. We know that the future, belongs to people younger than we are. It's exciting to know that there are ways in which we can be of assistance.
Know that college costs are a lot. We also really try to tell all these young people that there are real opportunities at Vermeer. And we hope that once they graduated, whether it be from a technical school or a four-year college, that they consider coming back to Vermeer.
For the scholarships, it's one of the things that I think the directors are most excited about. We have a long history of supporting education and educational programming and causes. So it's very interesting to look back as we're celebrating an anniversary and find out what those people have focused on and where their careers have led them.
My name is Brian DeMoss. I am currently the district manager for the Social Security Administration. I am honored to be a member of the Vermeer Society of Scholars. My father loved working for Vermeer, and I can't thank Vermeer enough for providing such an outstanding and rewarding career for him for all those years, but also for just the dedication that Vermeer has for making impactful investments in their employees' families.
My name is Callie Beyer, and I currently work on the economics team at a social research center at the University of Chicago. By Vermeer investing in their community by awarding me this scholarship, I really had the opportunity to invest more in my community during my college experience.
My name is Reagan Cooper, and currently I am a pediatric and adult occupational therapist at Kinetic Edge Physical Therapy in Oskaloosa. Being part of the Vermeer Society of Scholars makes me feel honored and humbled. It means to be a part of a group of individuals who are hardworking and now are professionals that give back to their own communities with their talents and gifts that they have been given.
I'm Trisha Wisniewski, and I was really grateful for that scholarship in college because it allowed me to take advantage of volunteering in different places at school and having less of that burden on myself as a student as I was paying bills. But now, flash forward 10 plus years, and I'm actually a team member here at Vermeer, and receiving the Vermeer Scholarship means something completely different to me. I really love telling our new hires each week about the Vermeer Charitable Foundation and what it does for our team members.
So to see those scholarship recipients and the next generation of leaders through their career paths or their academic endeavors has been really gratifying. The Vermeer Charitable Foundation looks forward to a long and healthy future where we can give scholarships to students for many generations to come.